Welcome everyone. My name is Katrien van Marsenille. I'm Marketing Director at Verypark, and I would like to thank you all for being here. And of course, also thank Microsoft for having us. Today, we will show you how Verypark customized customer insights to fit the specific needs of the financial services industry. I would like to encourage you all to use the chat to ask your questions. We will be able to answer them during and after the presentation. With that, I now give the floor to my colleague Girish. I hope you will enjoy his presentation.
Hello and welcome to this session on customer insights for financial services. I'm Girish Kashyap, Pre-Sales Director, Verypark. In this session, we'll give you a quick introduction on who Verypark is, a look at our digital banking platform, capabilities and challenges for the financial services industry in the new normal. We'll briefly introduce our analytics and insight solution, Customer Insights, before jumping straight into a demo. We will be looking at 4 journeys that help solve some of the problems faced by financial services institutions since the start of the pandemic. Who is Verypark? We are a software house established in 1998 with 22 years of experience in the financial services industry. We have over 700 employees based in 15 countries with offices from London to Kuala Lumpur, with new offices opening all the time, one just recently in Canada. We are a global player with customers in more than 30 countries worldwide, and we are proud to say we're still serving our very first customer. We are dedicated to the financial services industry only and a leader in optimizing the Microsoft framework for the financial services industry. Verypark is helping financial institutions to enhance their customer acquisition, retention, and cross-sell capabilities by providing proven, secure, and scalable customer relationship management, omni-channel delivery, branch automation, and loan origination solutions. Today, we're going to focus on one of our solutions, Customer Insights. Verypark Customer Insights, built on Microsoft Cloud technology, is an analytics solution for profitable and long-lasting customer relationships. It provides a unified front end to enable banks to serve the customer, to solve the customer's problems, and to sell to the customer all in one place. It delivers the most pertinent information in real time, increasing servicing efficiency across all employees. You may have seen the recent meme asking who led the digital transformation of your company, the CEO, CTO, or COVID-19. Of course, everyone answers COVID-19. There's an element of truth here, combined with irony. The pandemic has accelerated digital transformation, particularly in retail banking. The pandemic isn't over, and it's impossible to predict exactly how the retail banking landscape will look as the world slowly and unevenly emerges from lockdown. But we are likely to be dealing with an era of uncertainty, social distancing, and economic disruption for some time. Banks are juggling multiple priorities, including managing revenue and low interest rates, alongside increasing demands from customers who are changing their behaviors as they deal with their own financial pressures. The new normal has resulted in a fundamental change in the way customers interact with banks. Social distancing requirements, lack of commercial activity, and customer hesitancy have resulted in reduced branch traffic. Since COVID 19, one of the customers' main concerns becomes health. But unfortunately, banks are not experienced in health and coverage. They don't know how to position new health products and whom to address. To keep up with customers' expectations and deliver a richer customer experience, financial institutions need a different approach to managing their data and present health related products and offers to their customers. There's no doubt COVID 19 has already driven a rise in online and mobile banking. Delivering an outstanding digital customer experience is now a major differentiator for banks. Bankers have seen that customers can churn easily to competitors. That is why banks need to become experts in digital customer acquisition, cross sell, upsell, and servicing. For many, this will involve a major shift from a purely transactional digital banking apps to a more engaging, customer centric, data and insights based approach. Also, one of the worst impacts of the COVID 19 is certainly going to be on the economy and people's savings. People need to feel confident that they can save and invest in a way that is fully aligned with their day to day lives, jobs, and society. From this perspective, banks need to help their customers to save more, thereby building a longer relationship. Based on these challenges, as we have seen, COVID 19 has become the catalyst for digital transformation acceleration in just a few months. We believe this will continue as retail banks rapidly transform themselves into truly effective digital organizations. To be able to deliver a differentiated customer experience, banks need to have connected experiences. The explosion of customer information presents financial services firms a tremendous opportunity. Financial institutions that harness their data to gain deep customer insights will deliver powerful, personalized experiences to gain a competitive advantage. Microsoft's Customer Insights module, which can work collaboratively on Dynamics 365, enables banks to make sense of the customer's current data and provides a smart 360-degree view through the analytical capabilities in its infrastructure. Verypark extends Dynamics 365 customer insights by targeting financial services industry to help banks adapt their technology to better understand their customers, present personalized offers, and market their products to the untapped customer segments rather than having their employees struggle with complex dashboards and lengthy analysis. With customer insights, decrease churn by gaining better visibility across customer products, predict life events and prepare your employees to crucial conversations at the moments of truth, prepare your colleagues to have a next best conversation with their clients, and increase customer satisfaction in self service channels by helping customers save more money. Now we will jump into the solution demonstrations. Today, we're going to show you four scenarios. In our first journey, we'll see how customer insights strengthens customer relationships and increases bank profitability with informed, personalized offers and services during the times of COVID 19. In our second journey, we'll see how customer insights is helping customers to save more during the times of COVID 19 so that banks can build long lasting relationships with their customers. In the third journey, we will see how customer insights helps the bank's marketing team in defining a sales campaign to offer product based campaigns to targeted customer segment. And in our last journey, we'll look at how customer insights helps the bank's marketing team this time in defining a customer retention campaign based on analytics which come from customer insights. In our first demo, we see Martin Barrows, a mortgage specialist at the bank's Brooklyn High Street branch, currently working from home. While Martin is preparing for his meeting, Customer Insights helps him to gain more information about his customer. Starting his workday at home, Martin checks his calendar and sees that he has a mortgage appointment with his customer, Archie Andrews. Martin logs in into Microsoft Teams, his go to tool for remote working, to check further details of all the meetings he has today. He realizes that he has 30 minutes before his meeting with Archie regarding his mortgage application. While preparing for the meeting, Martin uses customer insights to gain deep insights into the customer's relationship with the bank. Martin has access to key indicators about Archie and notices that Archie's debt burden ratio is within the threshold set by the bank to consider lending more to him. Also, there is a high churn probability indicated for Archie's credit card. Martin can see also a summary overview of Archie's holdings, his channel utilization, and the movement in his products over a period of time. Martin can see that the system has predicted the mortgage application, which has come true, and a travel that Archie has put off due to the ongoing travel restrictions. Martin now checks the year to date profitability from Archie's products and notices that the credit card contributes the highest. Martin can also see that Archie has a rather small family, with his son having his own family. In terms of expenses, this leaves Archie well positioned to be considered for a mortgage loan. Next is the goal section, where Martin sees that Archie has been saving for a mortgage down payment over a few years. Archie appears to be lagging a bit in meeting his goal, but he has still saved over $50,000. That would be sufficient for a decent mortgage down payment. Coming back to the summary, Martin spots that Customer Insights has detected regarding the travel for Archie that Archie does not have COVID-19 pandemic coverage included in his health insurance plan. Martin sees that Customer Insight suggests to propose to Archie to include pandemic coverage as a supplementary option in his health insurance plan. Armed with these main talking points, Martin is now good to start his meeting with Archie. At the designated time, Martin joins the team's call and sees that Archie has also joined the call. After the initial greetings, Martin brings up the topic of upcoming travel and offers pandemic coverage to Archie on his existing health insurance plan. Archie is surprised by this offer and responds positively. Martin also proposes a special waiver of fees on Archie's credit card, which Archie accepts. Martin initiates the process for both the health insurance plan amendment and the retention offer on the credit card. Archie thanks Martin for looking after him, and then the discussion moves towards the mortgage topic. In this scenario, we have seen that in customer interactions, banks get the opportunity to push the right products to the right customer. Thanks to customer insights, Martin, a mortgage advisor who has no particular knowledge about health insurance or credit card offers, can easily understand the same and provide a better service to his customer while increasing the cross sell ratio. So that's the end of our first demo. Now we'll be looking at how customer insights is utilizing self-service direct channels. What we've been seeing recently is that less customers are willing to visit bank branches. With COVID 19, less assisted channels are being used by the customers, and there is a huge need for direct customer channels. Based on that, we have positioned customer insights for direct channel usage as well. In our second demo, we shall see how Archie Andrews, a customer who uses his bank's debit card for online shopping, receives 5% cashback on his transaction and realizes that he could save more by just using his debit card for all online grocery shopping at the merchants with whom the bank has tie ups for cashback offers. After a busy day working from home, it's time for Archie to relax and place an order online for grocery shopping. Due to the ongoing pandemic lockdown restrictions, he has been shopping a lot online. He opens the Tesco website, realizes uh, and finalizes his basket and makes the payment using his debit card. Once the payment is processed, he receives an SMS from the bank mentioning that he has received 5% cashback. In these days of reduced incomes, this comes as a pleasant surprise to him. He wasn't aware that his bank provides him with cashback offerings at the merchant store he's frequently shopping using his debit card. He wants to dig in a little deeper to see what other potential savings options he has on this card. Hence, he logs in into internet banking. Archie logs in into his internet banking and immediately spots a banner that reads out loud that he could have saved up to $162 by using his bank's debit card. He clicks on the banner, which leads him to the spending analysis page. On this page, he can analyze his spending from last month, categorized by industry. It also shows him two key indicators: how much he has saved and how much he could have saved in total. While he's happy that he has saved some amount using his card, he digs into the section where he could have saved more. On the pie chart, he clicks on groceries category. This lists all the transactions from the last month that he did at various grocery stores. And he realizes that he could get cash back on other grocery purchases at other merchants just by using his bank's debit card. In this scenario, we have seen that whether it's the weekly shopping, going out for lunch, or hitting the high street, spending analysis makes it easy to earn cashback for customers. During the times of COVID 19, banks need to help their customers to save more, to build a longer relationship, improve customer loyalty, and compete with digital only players in the market. Now we'll be looking at how customer insights helps the bank's marketing team in defining a sales campaign to offer auto loans to a targeted customer segment. Martin Barrows is a data scientist in the analytical CRM team and works closely with Angela Zoe, campaign designer. Angela needs to pull the customers who are most likely to respond to this auto loan campaign. Martin prepares a segmentation querying tendency values, and calculated key performance indicators to be able to target the best possible group. This segment will be available to Angela to use in the campaign definition. These measures are defined in customer insights and are calculated by the solution. The tendency values, for example, are calculated as a result of predictive modeling. Angela uses this segment created by Martin and builds out the campaign journey. And this campaign journey starts out with the particular segment that Martin just defined. This journey includes multiple communication mechanisms such as emails, push notifications, and outbound phone calls. The emails include A/B testing, which, when configured, allows the solution to pick one template out of competing ones based on specific criteria. The email template also includes forms that customers could use to fill in information or can lead customers to other channels like the bank's website to complete an action. These emails can be scheduled to be delivered at specific times. The journey incorporates decision points which take their input from customer actions based on which they branch out to specific paths. Once the journey is in place and has been activated, customers are contacted and some of those customers react, and those reactions trigger off further actions. Angela also constructs a lead scoring model to help the bank identify the right leads to follow up. This scoring model awards scores or points based on specific customer actions. And those leads which reach a particular score can then be prioritized for further engagement. In this scenario, we have seen an end-to-end journey which covers preparations of the segmentation by including tendency values and calculations of the key performance indicators for better customer segmentation. By using customer insights, banks can deliver more personalized marketing campaigns to their customers with informed marketing decisions, which results in generating more qualified leads. Now we'll be looking at how customer insights helps the bank's marketing team in defining a customer retention campaign based on analytics from customer insights. Archie is a tech-savvy customer intensively using mobile technologies and has been using his bank's Gold Card for 4 years. His credit card spending has started to decline due to a better loyalty rewarding scheme by a competitor. The changes in Archie's customer behavior has been detected by customer insights, and his card churn score has increased significantly. This card churn score is the result of an underlying model, and this model has been defined again on customer insights. The card churn score is not just a number, but also provides additional statistics such as mean, standard deviation, and variance. The solution provides a drag and drop tool that can be used to test, build, and deploy machine learning models. Angela now prepares a segment to target Archie and other similar customers. And in this segment definition includes the churn score with a certain threshold. Then Angela prepares a customer journey, which starts from this particular segmentation. And this journey targets high churn risk customers, reaching out to them on their channel of choice with a relevant retention offer. On receiving the bank's communication, Archie accepts the retention offer and continues to use his bank card once again. In this scenario, we have seen that for customers like Archie, providing tailored offerings is the key to retention and loyalty. By using customer insights, marketing teams can benefit from better segmented customer lists to decrease credit card churn and improve customer retention and loyalty. We hope today's session has shown you the various use cases of customer insights and how they can help financial institutions address some of the challenges in the new normal. Please feel free to reach out to us for more information or to organize a workshop with our experts. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Girish. As you said, we would be more than happy to connect with all of you for a one-on-one call, personal demo, or a workshop. Just reach out to us via marketing@verypark.com. And if you still have some questions, don't leave just yet. We will stay here for a little while to answer any questions via chat. I would already like to thank everyone now again for being here. Thank you. Bye.